Hello, and welcome to this particular arithmetic test. So here we've got 24 various questions in mental arithmetic maths. So you've got some adding questions, some subtracting questions, double digit adding, triple digit adding, multiplication type of questions, division questions, and you've also got some fraction questions here as well. So try your best on these various questions and do some working out as well, if you can. And we'll follow these up in our next class in a lot more detail as well. But before we do that, let's just do this one quick question. So solve the question shown below and choose the correct option. So 2 add 1, in this case, at the top is just going to be 3 over 5 because the denominator will stay the same. Because it's 5 add 5, the denominator will stay the same, and you only add the top numbers. If the denominator, the bottom number, is different, that's when you calculate a fraction a different way. But in this case, it's straightforward addition and subtraction. Good luck.